Everybody knows the group ran, so we're golden. So we're going to go group one. Group one. Group one to be up first. Y'all know we are. Also, spectators. First. Down there at the end. All right. Ready in 3, 2, 1, and launch on the down there, sir. Yes, very nice.
World War I flight, huh?
That's when World War I.
There we go.
Oh, they're putting them in there. Yeah, there you go. Big.
That giant old fogey? Beautiful. Little Scout XL looking thing. Beautiful. Oh! Close to the scenario there. There goes Jason's little baby biplane. It's not even that big. Another baby biplane, which is also not that big. Wow. And then you got the Bumblebee. The Bumblebee Josh Orchard. Oh, man, that was a close one. This is group one. Look at these beautiful birds in the air. Let's give a round of applause for these people. Just think how long it takes to build some of these beasts. Jason, how much time you got on this this build, bro? 90 hours. That is a lot of hours. Oh, this Mr. Josh Orchard has these little machine guns on the bottom. Sounds crazy stuff. I see you, Jay Orch. Ooh, the Concorde floating. That looks good. That looks nice. I love the old fogey too. Super nice. Whoa! Props. Look at these beautiful birds in the air. I do enjoy a good giant airplane. We got some landers. Who's landing? We got this guy landing. Oh yes. Beauty. Oh, that's super nice. Well done, sir. And he's down. Great landing. Love that. Love that. Who else we got? Who else we got landing? All right, Jason's coming around. Giant red biplane. Oh my goodness. All right, Jason's landing here. Oh yes, well done, Jay. Beauty. Got Texas coming around here.
All around.
Feel the flow. Yes, that's looking good. Yes, that's a beauty. Oh, we're good. Yeah, well done. Old fogey floating on floating. Look at that. Da-da-da-da. I love how it's like the babyest size landing gear of all time. So good.
Next one's on our landing approach.
Parked it.
Sorry. All right.
Oh, that's right. No, you're fine.
Here comes the glider in.
Yeah, it's Finley over there.
How about a nice round of applause for
It's
the
Finley over there. I love that.
All right. Okay, group number 2.